Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. AI unravels secrets, 2,000-year-old burned papyrus reveals Alexander the Great's aftermath. Elon Musk's Grok AI faces backlash over unexpected wokeness. Reviving legends, AI restores the 7 wonders of the ancient world. AI unravels secrets, 2,000-year-old burned papyrus reveals Alexander the Great's aftermath. In a groundbreaking archaeological breakthrough, artificial intelligence analyzes a charred 2,000-year-old parchment, shedding light on the aftermath of Alexander the Great's reign. Recovered from the ruins of the Villa dei Papyri, destroyed by Mount Vesuvius, the parchment details successors and intrigues surrounding Alexander. Using machine learning and CT scans, a team deciphers the text, unveiling the roles of generals like Seleucus and the cunning Cassandros. Though fragments remain, the revelation sparks further exploration, prompting questions about the mysterious author, potentially Philodemus or a figure from Alexandria. As AI unlocks the past, more revelations await, unraveling the mysteries of Alexander's era. Now let's dive into the detail. Elon Musk's Grok AI faces backlash over unexpected wokeness. In an unexpected twist, Elon Musk's Grok AI, designed to defy political correctness, is drawing criticism for allegedly leaning liberal. Musk aimed to create an unfiltered chatbot challenging woke culture, but users claim it supports diversity and vaccination. Musk, defending Grok, blames the internet's woke nonsense and vows improvements. However, tests reveal similarities with ChatGPT's left-leaning tendencies. As Grok seeks up to $1 billion in funding, questions arise about its neutrality. Musk, who accused OpenAI of bias, faces irony as his creation grapples with unintended political leanings. Reviving legends, AI restores the 7 wonders of the ancient world. In a groundbreaking feat, artificial intelligence breathes new life into the lost wonders of antiquity using the Midjourney image generator. From the majestic Colossus of Rhodes to the enigmatic Hanging Gardens of Babylon, AI meticulously recreates these marvels, offering a glimpse into their original grandeur. Notably, the AI reconstructed Great Pyramid of Giza, adorned with its iconic white limestone casing, unveils a captivating blend of history and innovation. Join the digital resurrection as AI unveils the secrets and splendor of the 7 wonders, bridging ancient wonders with contemporary imagination.